Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 icons not showing on taskbar. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Personalization. Click Taskbar. Click Taskbar corner Overflow. Turn on which icons appear in the taskbar. Third method is right-click Start button, click Run, type %local AppData %, click OK. Click View, click Show Hidden Items. Delete IconCache.db file. Restart system. Fourth method is type Notepad in Windows search bar, click Notepad. Copy text from description and paste it. Select Desktop, select all files, type any name with .bat, click Save. Right-click Run as administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.